Well, I'm Anthony Bonnici and I've had the absolute honour and pleasure of working with the AIS group today, doing the Brain Blinkers work, which is all around helping people identify and then remove mental barriers. And you know what, in 18 years of doing this, it's a first for me, because it's absolutely remarkable that in this group of 30 or 40 people that I've been able to take everyone on the journey, particularly when there's been a number of people with English as a second or third language. And Eleanor and the team have done an amazing job of bringing in an interpreter and translating simultaneously while I've been speaking. It's an absolute luxury for me, with a whole bunch of people, and they've got the earphones in, and they are such an engaged group. They've been managing to contribute, to listen, to engage with the content, and really be taken on the journey in the period we've got. You know, I'm used to speaking to people just in English. I speak no Russian, so to have this facility and have AIS put resource towards and invest in their people to get an outcome, to get not just a journey, but a learning journey, has been absolutely outstanding and a real privilege to be a part of. I never thought I'd have an experience like this, but I have. And so for me, it's been very special.